Part 3. Pragmites. I don't know what a pragmite is, but that's what it is. Oh, come on, Ralph. Don't be so gross.
Got a big fat Lemmy.
Ew. We're still on our little nature walk here.
After 2 hours, still walking, trying to find a way out of here.
You're right. Jasmine.
Follow
Jasmine.
the trail.
It's a trail.
Tell the hamster to let you know the way.
Jasmine.
That's a trail, babe. Steps.
Oh.
There's a baseball field across the street. Public pool. I don't think so. I don't want to go no deeper.
No. Come on, Jasmine. This is
You
no
said
way.
you walked this way before, didn't you?
No, the other way.
Oh, no way. This is not the way.
You told me to go this way.
No
so I
way.
followed.
No way.
Yeah, but if you go all the way down
No,
there,
because I got flippy flops. No, there's nothing down there. This is the end. There's no trail down here.
then you have to go all the way over there.
That's okay. We're going to walk down the trail one more time. The kids are going to go eat hot dogs. So,
Dad. Ow! Mom!
what? Get that stick. Let me see.
Got the stick.
You
Grab
don't
that
know where
stick.
the stick is spin?
So what? Got the stick.
Give me the stick.
You want the
Oh,
stick?
that's a
Got a
nice
wand.
stick.
Zap.
I like that stick. That's a nice one. Beautiful, beautiful day today.
Yeah, no, there's two. And then you got six. Yeah, we got caught with one. Yo, Richie, look.
What?
A tree.
Really? Oh my God, a tree!
Here, take your water.
A whole tree.
Took it.
That's Humber's house.
They went to eat, right? They're eating right now. There goes the kids down there eating. Let's walk down there.
I'll go outside just in case.
Good.
Don't leave me.
Make sure that he eats, babe.
Make sure there's RJ in front of you. Come
Where?
this side. Look.
Oh, there he goes. He's gonna go eat. Where's my baby? Leave him alone. Let him eat. He wants to drink the Dr. Pepper. Let him drink. My little man. Hold on. I'm going back down with Jasmine.
Come on, hurry up.
There's my little man on there. Come on. Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Ah!
I am using the reservoir line. My dad runs the reservoir.
That's the way he talks and acts.
You gotta bring it down.
Zoom back out. There you go. I'm gonna be putting all these videos together, making a movie. I'm just enjoying it. Yeah, you know what? Let me give you an update while I'm walking here with my daughter. She's all in the front. Everything's well. My energy is really high now, especially because I'm making videos and walking. It's really nice. I didn't take the test. They rescheduled it, so that was like a lentius. That was a big thing off my back. So, still got more time to study. What is this? I didn't see this. Catalpa heart-shaped leaves. Oh wow, they're so pretty. I don't know where Jasmine went. I'm by myself. But it's nice, I like it. Yeah, they rescheduled it. So I'll be taking it whenever they reschedule it to. I wasn't ready to take the exam. I really wasn't. Plus I had to pay double. And I wasn't ready to do that either. The money is not there. gonna be passing the poison ivy soon. Hi. Enjoying the day. And enjoying the nature walk. This is a project, it's called Reservoir Project. It's from number 28 school, and my son received an award for this. Well, I still own it, but I own it as a rental.
What made you move?
Yeah, his class received awards, each one for the project, so I'm very proud. They won for the state of New Jersey, so yes. And yeah, I'm really, really, really proud of him. He had the mulberry tree, so he was standing on site, and let's say probably like 10-15 minutes ago I videotaped it. So yeah, enjoying the day.
Okay, let's go.
A little bit more.
What's that? Anyway.
Water from the reservoir.
Yeah, you could go in.
I saw germs.
Oh my God, people down there.
Anything in there?
No. I saw germs.
You saw germs?
I saw germs too. And water. Let's go see. We have to
reservoir.
watch out. We have to watch
Come on,
out.
let's-
This way. This way, Gianfranco.
Yeah.
We have to watch out for the snakes.
Excuse me. Going back down again. Fire department again. Yeah, we're taking another little trip again. Just gotta be careful with my footing, because it's kind of tricky walking around here. This is nice. I've never been down here.
I didn't even know this was up here.
Go ahead. This is really nice. Jasmine, say hi.
I'm not turning around.
Turn around. Turn around. Oh, yeah, your phone will be taken.
My phone is already taken.
You see her? Wait, I want them to see your extensions.
Don't
Say
say
hi.
extension.
Oh, her hair. Sorry.
Alright.
Hello. That's true. They did? Go ahead and ask them if they could give me a packet of seeds so I could do it at home. That'd be great. I want to see the seeds that they have there. We're gonna stop at Ralph, of course. My better half never wants to stay and do anything. Oh, let's see if they let me take some seeds. You don't have any more packets?
Yeah.
Can I have one then?
You want one of each?
That'd be great if you can. I could plant them at home. Oh, so cool. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see, this stops right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh, look at the lady.
It's not a lady.
Guy? Oh, look how pretty, man. I love this. This is my favorite spot right here. Right here is my favorite spot. Daddy said he's gonna bring us here to fish. Look at the ducks. Ducks. Family of ducks, I think. No. Just a couple of ducks. Alright, I guess we could walk back. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
So I got sunflower seeds and marigold. So I'm gonna plant those too. And I got myself a nice stick and 2 rocks. these really nice rocks. I'm looking around to see if I could find any. I'm trying to see if I could get the mugwort, but I think they took out the sign, so I'm not sure where it is. I'm keeping an eye out on that. I want a little bit of mugwort. This is as closest I could get to a hike, huh? And that's good that they have something like this. It's such a good idea. Have something like this so the kids can connect to nature. It's not always being near the city, you know. Something like this is really nice, and I really appreciate it. Okay, guys, next chapter.